Alrighty, it's time to pull these pumpkins, I think. It's starting to die off, so we actually just took one inside before and cut out, see what it was like to eat. It's pretty nice, buttery, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really, and it's quite sweet as well.
How do we store them?
Pardon?
How do we store them? Do you keep them in a dark place?
Yeah, you don't put them on a concrete floor though, I don't think. Okay, we'll look into it.
Ah, should be right.
Might need to eat that one first. Whoopsie. In that one. Maybe because they're a bit young.
Bit soft.
Yeah.
What's the skin like? They reckon the old skin should be quite hard. It sounds good.
Hard. Yeah. Oh, there's a sneaky one here. I might actually need to take that off because it looks like it's got a bit of damage on there.
Just chuck them in the wheelbarrow behind you.
They're good sizes.
Pardon?
They're good sizes.
Yeah. Well, that's not a bad haul, but I don't know what we're going to do with them all. Probably give a lot away, do some trades. Hey?
Yeah.
We actually did swap some of those potatoes we pulled for some whitebait. Right, since we've got all these, we're going to store them in the garage. Usually got to store them in a nice cool place. So the garage is ideal, but put them on cardboard, don't put them on straight concrete. So they only last 3 to 4 months like this, so a lot of these will probably go down to the community fridge. Another thing I found out as well is that the bigger the circle on the bottom of the pumpkin is, the sweeter it is, because these ones are usually female. So if you have a look at these ones here, but these sort, I'm not sure, they all look the same to me on these ones. And don't ask me what kind of pumpkin that they are. We just brought a seedling from down at Mitre 10 and whacked them in the ground, and this is what happened. So yeah, good stuff. You see a lot of these in the supermarket, but I don't really ever see these. So, but yeah, we tried some of this, like I said, yesterday in the air fryer with a bit of salt, and it was quite nice. Lot sweeter than this sort of pumpkin. But yeah, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Cheers.